So first of all, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. And today we unite together in our beautiful school campus to celebrate this auspicious occasion. Well, we all know that our country got independence 77 years ago, and from then we celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th of August, right? But I think that it is wrong. Yes, I think that it is wrong because according to me, why to celebrate independence on a particular day only? If we are having the right to freedom each and every second, we should celebrate independence every day. And you know what? That this independence and freedom was there even before 15th of August 1947 also. You must be thinking how? Then I shall give you some examples of some legends like Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, Bhagat Singh and many more like them who realized their freedom. The freedom of willpower to make India a colony-free country. And that's why I say that independence is present with us every time and we should celebrate it. Now coming to the real point, that what this freedom or independence really is. It is just about flying flags and singing anthems. The answer is no. You must be thinking that why I am saying this. Because my dear brothers and sisters, although we celebrate Independence Day, our country is not fully independent. Let me give you some examples from some real life incidents. Like a owner of a tea shop who has the rights and freedom to progress. But does he have the right to make a poor uneducated child work day and night? In this independent country, if the man has the right to earn a livelihood, then the boy, the child also has the right to get education and do whatever he wants to do for the nation. You know what? That this is the point where we clash because we don't know where to use our rights and freedom correctly. That looking out our window only, you will be finding many youths who are cleaning the tables other than getting education. You know, the main reason to say these kinds of things to you is that I know that we are the ones who will be changing this. We are the ones who will be making our country fully independent. We are the ones who will be making the citizens aware of their rights by being a good human being in our own. Because we have to understand that we are more than a nation. We are a civilization that has given the world zero and infinity. Yoga and spirituality. We are the land of Gandhi's peace and Tagore's dreams. We are the land of Bhagat Singh's courage and Ambedkar's justice. And that's why it is our sacred duty to carry their legacy forward. The legacy of taking this nation ahead day by day. So my brothers and sisters, as we celebrate Independence Day, let's remember that our journey is not over. It's just the beginning. So let us rise and awake to the occasion and make our country proud of its independence by starting from today and only. By cheering Bharat Mata Ki Jai together. So, I will be saying Bharat Mata Ki and you all guys will be saying Jai. So Bharat Mata Ki! My dear brothers and sisters, I know that you are the Ladla and Ladlis of our Bharat Mata, but don't